How a small business should evaluate which AI model is right for them. Let's start with a hard truth. Most small businesses are asking the wrong question about AI, and that mistake alone causes more wasted time and money than any technical limitation ever will. They ask, which AI model is the best? That question sounds reasonable, but it is almost always the wrong place to start. The better question is, which AI model fits how my business actually works? That shift in thinking changes everything about how you evaluate tools and make decisions. There is no universally best AI model. There is only the model that fits your workflows, your risk tolerance, your budget, and your maturity as a business. Choosing correctly is about fit, not hype. In the next few minutes, here's a practical framework you can use to choose the right AI model without getting lost in benchmarks, marketing claims, or vendor noise. Step one is to start with the job, not the model. Before you even look at tools like GPT, Claude, Gemini, or anything else, you need to answer one simple question. What job am I asking AI to do? This is not use AI or add AI. It is a specific task, such as summarizing meetings, drafting client emails, answering customer support questions, analyzing invoices, generating marketing content, reviewing contracts, or helping technicians troubleshoot problems. Different jobs require different strengths. A model that excels at long form writing might be poor at structured data extraction, and a model that is strong at reasoning might be too slow or too expensive for high volume operational work. If you skip this step and jump straight to model comparisons, you will almost always pick the wrong tool and then blame AI when the real problem was the decision process. Step two is to classify the task type. Once you know the job, place it into one of four categories: creative tasks, analytical tasks, operational tasks, or sensitive and regulated tasks. Creative tasks include marketing copy, brainstorming, and social media. Analytical tasks involve reasoning, comparisons, and decision support. Operational tasks include summaries, logging, and reporting. Sensitive tasks involve financial, HR, medical, legal, or internal strategy data. This matters because different AI models are optimized for different types of work, and not all models are appropriate for sensitive or regulated information. Step three is deciding how much accuracy actually matters. Not every task needs perfection, and pretending that it does will slow you down and increase costs unnecessarily. Ask yourself what happens if the AI is wrong, whether the output is customer facing or internal, and whether a human will review it before it is used. A marketing draft can be 80% right and still be valuable. A customer invoice summary needs to be nearly perfect. Medical or legal summaries must always be reviewed. If accuracy matters more than speed or creativity, prioritize consistency and reliability over output that simply sounds impressive. This is where many small businesses get burned. They choose a model because it sounds smart, not because it behaves predictably inside real workflows. Step four is understanding context size and memory needs. One of the most overlooked questions is how much information the AI needs to see at once to do its job properly. Some tasks only need a paragraph. Others require full email histories, long SOPs, contracts, technical manuals, or months of notes. Models vary widely in how much context they can handle and how well they track details over long inputs. If your AI keeps forgetting things or missing details, it is often not user error. It is a limitation of context handling, and for complex or historical work, this matters more than raw intelligence. Step five is thinking about cost in terms of volume, not price per call. Vendor pricing is often presented in ways that hide real world usage patterns. You need to think in monthly volume. How many emails, support tickets, documents, or employees will touch this system? A model that looks cheap per request can become very expensive if it encourages inefficiency or overuse. Also consider whether the AI needs to run constantly, only during business hours, or only on demand. The cheapest model is usually the one that is used correctly, not the one with the lowest advertised price. Step six is deciding where the AI runs. This is one of the most important and least discussed factors in model selection. Ask whether the AI runs in a public cloud, inside another platform like Microsoft or Google, or in a private environment. If you deal with sensitive data, client trust, or compliance requirements, this choice often matters more than performance. Many small businesses do not need fully private AI, but some absolutely do. In industries like finance, healthcare, HR, or regulated environments, data control beats model quality every time. Step seven is testing with real work, not demos. Never choose a model based on a polished example or marketing prompt. Take three real tasks from your business, run them through two or three models, and compare output quality, speed, cost, and consistency. Look at whether the model follows instructions, hallucinates, stays on task, and produces usable output without heavy cleanup. You are not buying intelligence in the abstract. You are buying reliability inside your actual workflows. Step 8 is remembering that you can use more than one model. This is the secret most vendors will not tell you. Many of the best systems use one model for creative tasks, another for analysis, and another for automation or summarization. Routing tasks to the right model is often cheaper, safer, and more effective than forcing one model to do everything. Choosing an AI model is not a technology decision, it is an operational one. The businesses that win with AI are not chasing the fanciest tools. They understand their workflows, know their risks, start small, measure results, and adjust deliberately. Get that right, and the model choice becomes obvious. Get it wrong, and no model will save you.